San Marino Jinjia in Lisignano, San Marino. The Sanctuary of San Marino is a shrine Shinto, Jinjia, located at the farm Padir Lisignano de Serravalle in the Republic of San Marino. The project of the Sanctuary of San Marino was born from the initiative of Manlio Cadillo, the ambassador of San Marino in Tokyo, to transform San Marino into the European capital of Shintoism, as well as to commemorate the 29,000 victims of the 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami that had hit Japan. Initially the temple had to be installed at the Lagela Park in Serravalle. However, in the absence of a formal authorization from the government of San Marino and the official patronage of the Japanese embassy in Rome, the monument was inaugurated at the Padir Lisignano farmhouse garden of Serravalle. The Sanctuary of San Marino was inaugurated on June 21, 2014 in the presence of 150 personalities, including the president of the Association of Shinto Shrines and Yoko Kishi, mother of the current Prime Minister of Japan Shinzo Abe and daughter of Prime Minister Nobusuke Kishi. The Sanctuary of San Marino consists of a small monument with a square base with a side of 2.5 meters and made in Japan with cedar wood. Also present a torii, portal, and a tura, stone lantern. The monument takes up the architectural style of the Sanctuary of Ise, the most important shrine in Japan and the Emperor's Sanctuary, whose construction began in the 7th century. Parts of the Sanctuary of San Marino were made using the wood of the Sanctuary of Ise. The sanctuary was built in Japan, later dismantled, transported by sea to San Marino, where it was reassembled by the Japanese architects on a base consisting of the typical San Marino sandstone. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.